Hello, artists. What do you see? What is happening? Whoa, it's like magic. This is called a watercolor resist painting. Let's talk about this awesome painting technique. With watercolor resist, we need to use a crayon or oil pastel. See here, I'm using a white crayon to draw a design onto my paper. You can also use colorful crayons. When you're drawing your design, be sure to push down firmly. This side of the rainbow is very light. It will not work for this technique. I need to go back and make sure that my line is dark and that I push down very hard with the crayon. The wax from the crayon needs to be on the paper really solid so that the technique will work. And once you have your crayon or your oil pastel design, then it's time to paint. We need to use really wet, watery paint. So be sure you have plenty of water. See how the white appears? The paint goes over top of the crayon and resists the crayon. The paint will only show up around where you drew and not on top of the design. The wax from the crayon resists the paint. It acts like a fence. The crayon's wax keeps the paint from going there. The paint will stay around it, but not on top of your design. This means that your design will be seen through the paint. And on my rainbow, I'm using the colored lines to separate the colorful paints. I wonder what you will make with watercolor resist technique.